course, the first quarter, they capitalized off the turnover, and then later, finally, able to connect on a big route down the sideline. And that'll be something to watch for. Look at Brown State keep challenging those Northwestern wide receivers throughout the second half.
Taylor Martinez with a near fielder to his left. Nice for himself, but he's got width. Taylor Martinez, last step successful all the way out to the 29-yard line. And not only was Danny and myself, but we also found one of our other guys that's found his way back here to his old stomping grounds, Michael Wilbon. You see him on PCI, on NBA Countdown. He's out there talking a little bit. And you got it. You're in alone. You got to wear your cup.
I'm happy to wear them. There's a lot of red out here. We got some purple, but I'd like to see more.
The guest captain today is Amira Bill. Uses the stiff arm, gets out to the 40-yard line up there to toss the coin. Northwestern football. Pat Fitzgerald, where he has the program right now as an alum, in your opinion?
Well, I mean, he's got it beyond expectations of the community. Not beyond his own expectations. He was the All-American here, two-time All-American, Defensive Player of the Year in the Big Ten, led his team to a Rose Bowl. He expects it. And beyond. And he's got recruiting improved. Every single thing improved in the last 21 years here.
Want to run the option. A little triple stick late to that goal. And that was well stretched by the front seven for Northwestern. A gain of only about a yard and a half.
Now, you're pretty involved with the program here at Northwestern Compass and practices in the offseason. Who are some of the players on their squad that impress you? Well, you know, people are just finding out maybe about Henry Marks, and people here knew. And I think people who scout in the professional business, you get around the campuses, and this kid, he's not had a lot of space today because of the rapid defense, but he's been very effective so far in the Big 13.
Martinez can't look at the